When we talk about attuning your energy that you're radiating constantly to match the energy of your desired reality, of your desired ideal self, one of the easiest ways to do it is by expressing gratitude as much as you can throughout the day, as often as you can throughout your life. Because think about it. When you are living your dream life, right? Let's just say everything right now, this second, was to transform into exactly what you wanted. Your body, your life situation, your money situation, your relationships, everything was just to transform into the exact dream version that you have a vision of in your mind. If you were living that life on a day-to-day basis, you would be like always just looking around in your life and being so thankful. You would always have the attitude, man, I got so lucky, right? Like, I'm so blessed to have this body, to have such beautiful appearance, to have a beautiful money situation, to be so abundant, to be living all of these experiences, right? Think about it. If you were living those experiences, your dream reality, how often would you be thinking, wow, this is truly amazing. I am blessed. I am so thankful. So see, one of the greatest characteristics of your dream reality is gratitude. There's no other way that is a more clear way to put it. Gratitude is the easiest way to connect to your dream lifeline. So if you have a hard time visualizing, if you're one of the people who always ask me in the comment, how do I match my energy to that of my dream self? This is your answer. If you struggle with everything else, then just do this. Practice gratitude. Your life might not look like exactly what you want it to look like right now, but understand that external circumstances are not as physical and solid as you might think they are. They are simply a reflection of your state of being, of your inner reality. So literally by just implementing this one thing, you will start to attune your energy, your frequency, to that of your dream lifeline, your desired lifeline, and the rest will start taking care of itself. Action will flow through you that will allow you to manifest that reality as your physical experience. This one simple thing. Start to express gratitude every day in your life for the littlest things. Right? If you were living your dream lifeline, everything would just be satisfying you. Throughout the day, you would probably give thanks to the higher power, God, universe, whatever you want to call it, life. You would be doing it multiple times. So start it right now, right? Think about like 5 things that you're super grateful for. Are you in good health? Show gratitude for it. If you go down to the store and the cashier lady treats you really well, show gratitude for it. Not even just to her, but like to yourself. Like, wow, thank you for that service. I'm blessed to have this car. I'm blessed to live in this current home. I'm blessed to have this work situation. I'm blessed to be doing what I do. And the more you practice it, the easier it will become. The more it will just become like a ingrained habit. So if it does, and if it becomes a regular part of your life, it will match that frequency of gratitude that you would feel on your dream reality. And because of this resonance, of this vibrational matching, your desired reality will start to manifest. All of your current situations that aren't really as much as you would like them to be, they will start to transform into versions of themselves or something completely different, which you would much rather prefer. Simply by gratitude. So just a quick message to you today. Gratitude will transform the layer of your reality into that which you desire. So stop being lazy and start practicing gratitude. Not for even getting something, but rather just truly being thankful for life, being thankful for this opportunity, this new day, the ability to actually create your own reality, the ability and the privilege to be on this path of learning this stuff, that you can change everything. Okay? Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful for YouTube. I'm grateful for my life. Okay, so If you are grateful for this video, start by showing a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, check out my Accelerated Reality Masterclass down below, okay? But start practicing gratitude right now. Peace.